As you see here, my motor is not really okay. If I escape everything, you see I actually putting this here with it looks it's not really working well, so something wrong with that. So see, I'm changing the frequency, technically it's not changed the frequency, and it still is just able to turn very slow, and it's not actually working very well. So for fixing that, okay, my guess is because the current that is need to start is actually is more than what we already adjusted. We could check A089, so which is telling what is the current limit. So for our case, whenever that was around 3 for my case, but the driver is not couldn't run the motor, so we increase that. So technically, whenever you start the motor, you need actually a huge current. So whenever these number is a small number, so you technically your motor couldn't actually run because of these limitations. So for our case, we increase that, and you see there is actually some recommendation here for minimum max, say driver amp 0.1.8. So that means it should be enough that it could be provide that run your three-phase motor that you have. So make sure actually you have it. So you can check that if you see the motor is not working. So for sure you should actually check this parameter and increase that a little bit. So yeah, the F6 is the something that what you probably see. If you see the knob not changing the frequency, and you get the error F6, it says increase or reduce the load so drive output current does not exceed the current set by parameter A089. So that means you use the A089 to increase that a little bit, that your motor could be start to turn. So we have a comment which is the parameter which is A89. Let's to check it. So let's to say A89, I'm actually enter it. You see the default is 3. I'm going to increase that to the 4, say enter. So now let's to run the motor and see what's happened. So we run it and see it's fix the problem, right? So now you see the frequency, this knob is working, it's increased the frequency. You could increase, decrease it, and also you could reverse forward it. So that's what you have here, okay? So it looks fine, and that was the problem. So A89, so you should increase that current. That actually somehow should be enough current, especially for starting motor whenever its number is small.